Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special investigation on chatbots, those friendly AI companions we interact with daily. But are they as unbiased as we think? Tonight, we delve into the fascinating world of Bing AI and Bard AI to uncover the hidden biases that may affect the truth they provide about their respective companies. Let's separate fact from fiction. Part 1. The promise of neutrality. Chatbots like Bing AI and Bard AI have been designed to assist users with information. They're supposed to be unbiased sources, providing accurate and objective answers to our questions. Companies often market them as impartial and fair. Part 2. The reality of bias. The truth is, no AI is truly neutral. They learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI will replicate those biases in its responses. For instance, if a company has been involved in controversies or negative incidents, the AI may downplay or even omit that information. Part 3. Data collection and selection. Data collection is the heart of AI. The algorithms that power Bing AI and Bard AI rely on vast amounts of data to generate responses. However, the selection of data sources can also lead to bias. The choice of which sources to include and exclude can heavily influence the AI's perspective. If a company has control over the data selection, it may prioritize positive information and exclude negative aspects. Part 4. The human factor. Behind every chatbot are human developers who shape its behavior. They make decisions about what the AI should prioritize and how it should respond to certain queries. We do our best to minimize bias, but we're not perfect. Sometimes, unconscious biases can sneak into the development process, affecting the chatbot's responses. Part 5. The corporate agenda. Let's face it, chatbots are part of a company's image and branding strategy. Presenting their company in the best light is a priority for most businesses. Companies want to maintain a positive reputation, so they might exert some control over the chatbot's responses. This can lead to a skewed version of the truth. Conclusion. As we conclude our investigation, it's crucial to remember that AI chatbots are powerful tools, but they're not immune to biases. The responsibility lies with both the companies developing them and us, the users, to critically evaluate the information we receive. By being aware of potential biases and seeking information from multiple sources, we can better navigate the world of AI-driven knowledge and arrive at more informed conclusions. Thank you for joining us tonight. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and remember, knowledge is power.